generally you just want to kind of see if a garment looks clean, as in it doesn't have any strange rumples in the wrong place and things like that, or strange creases. You know, when people say about like a garment being a nice cut, there's no such thing as a nice cut. There's only a nice cut for like the individual. And if it's on the person, the client, the man, the woman, whatever, if it's on the client and it just looks all very clean and smooth, it's got a nice flow to it, it's got nice lines, and it fits well. That's a good test, really. I look at this thing in like 10 seconds and I can see, but really in real life, when you walk into a room, people that look at you will look at you in a split second as well. And then if it looks good to the eye, then it works, I think. The more you pour over something and stir at it and look at it, eventually you will find problems real or imagined, I think, like with anything, whether you're doing a sculpture or whatever. But if you can kind of have that moment where like somebody walks in and they put that garment on in front of me and it looks fantastic and it looks good on them, they feel that they know it, or they walk into a room wearing that kind of garment, whether it's a cocktail lounge or a board meeting or whatever, and a split second it's like, oh, it looks good. That's how a suit fits good, I think, really.